Okay, good morning guys. It is Saturday the 3rd of July 2010. Just going to do my weekly outlook for the Euro US dollar here. Okay, so starting on this daily chart, we're getting fairly close now to that upper bat resistance level, the 12720 level. So if we get a break of that, then it's looking like the early signs of a turn are gonna be followed through here by the bulls. If we just look kind of back at how this one's gone, you can see we broke the bat resistance a long time ago now in December. Had a nice signal up the top here, and this trade's gone on for a good while now, so we could well see a break of this bat, like I say, and followed by another fairly similar trend. This one met both targets, so there is scope for this pair to get up to that 1.35, I would say at least. So I mean, the early signs, I've been talking about it now for a few weeks. We made the 9 count buy setup, and we produced the thrust bar, which also removed that 2352 level to the weekly close. We've had a couple of dips below there, but like I was saying in the room on Friday, the most important thing is the closes. And as you can see, we've covered most of the body of the thrust bar, which is to be expected. I mean, based on this though, actually getting involved in this trade is a bit harder. It's more kind of giving me confirmation of what's going on here. So I mean, things are definitely looking quite like we're going to get a turn here. I mean, we've produced this TDF thrust bar here, covered most of the body, so definitely expecting to see a bounce in the back of that. We've removed the final thrust level to the close now for the third week in a row. This week's actually going to be a bullish outside bar near the bottom of the range, so you know everything's pointing towards a move up here in the Euro US dollar. And also a couple of weeks ago we spotted sort of the Haikaki setup here. So we had an inside week, we broke to the low side and then come up through the high, and this is the point here, the 2561 level. We're just above there at the moment, but that was to be the sort of the breakout point in the market. It didn't actually come within 3 bars. It's supposed to appear within 3 bars, but still though there should be plenty of stops triggered there from the fact of people selling the low of the inside week that we posted there. So interesting stuff here. It definitely looks like we're seeing a bounce. We're on the 8th bar of a buy setup, so we will complete that buy setup because we've only got to be below the 1.3297. I think it's highly unlikely that we'll get above there this month. If we do, it would just be pretty crazy. It is possible, but I doubt that would happen anyway. So we could see a bit of a bounce here. I mean, we've got the 1.321 2 level up there on the monthly. I mean, we are through the trend continuation point here, but if we look at this sort of on a lower low, lower high basis, lower low, I mean, we could still get up to the 1.39, 1.4 even, and then still move down from there. So still looking for parity overall on this Euro US dollar, but I think this could be when we see a wee bit of a bounce here, a wee bit of respite, and then we'll see some sellers come back into the market around about this area where we had all this chop here, and possibly TDST resistance level. We need to get up there and break that 1.3916 before the view would actually change here on this market. But we'll see where this daily trade takes us. If we do break the upper bat resistance there, let's just say we broke it there, moved down there, so we could have a first target of 1.35 there or thereabouts, I would say, based on this, depending on how far through the bat that we go. I mean, we could just go through the bat and then just fail there and just start to head lower. That often happens with the bat as well. So we'll keep a close eye on that and see if we do get through this bat resistance. I'd like to kind of just get through it and then see us fall off a bit and then continue this trend up. That's obviously the scenario we're looking for on this pair. So we'll keep a close eye on this going into this week and see where we go. I mean, we've posted a higher, a low, probably a higher low there and a higher high now. So I hope the higher high will get at least to that 12720 level, and then we can post another higher low and then kick on properly from there and see if we can get involved in that. Okay, cheers.